Just before the video starts, I would like to give a warning. Well, this video is the same as last month's because I feel like I did a pretty good job of actually explaining how to spoof in Pokemon Go with last month's video. So essentially, this month is the same. But one of the things that I find really important to stress is the fact that if you join my Discord, we have a lot of people who are very willing to help you get spoofing. Like I personally, I'm in the Discord quite a little bit, especially in the help spoof channel. So if you actually do need help, it's much more worth it if you watch the video and you join the Discord and you can get your help there. Because this video, I mean, it'll help some people, but if you're not like an actual expert at this, it becomes very difficult sometimes. So I highly recommend you actually just come to our Discord and we actually help you out with it. And we also have lots of FAQs and lots of like text channels with like step-by-step instructions. Trust me, it's gonna help you a lot. So yeah, just that to preface the video. This video is sponsored by Wondershare Doctor Phone. Dr. Phone virtual location is for the iOS and it essentially allows you to change your GPS location on iPhone devices. Basically, it uses a Windows operating system to link to your iOS device to change the GPS location on it. It can simulate GPS movement. It works well with all location-based AR games, just like Pokemon GO. You can teleport with your iPhone to anywhere in the world through your Windows computer. They have a Discord that you should check out. It's growing very, very quickly, and they have many sales there as well as a ton of people there to help you and guide you in the right direction for iOS spoofing. So if you're an iOS user and you're trying to spoof Pokemon Go, I would highly recommend checking out their application as well as their Discord. Links down in the description below. Let's go straight to it. So the first thing you want to do while using FGL Pro for Pokemon Go is to probably download it. I mean, downloading is probably a solid idea. But before you download FGL Pro, there's one thing that you gotta know. You cannot spoof Pokemon Go unless you have a phone, an Android phone, by the way. This is an Android guide only. An Android phone which is above 5.0, I think it's 5.0, 5.2. Because basically, if you have a phone that's too old, you can't actually update to 12.6.85, the Google Play Services version that you need. And if your phone is too new, you can't even downgrade down to 12.6.85. So it's kind of unfortunate. So just install FGL Pro, and then we'll get into the other things that you need to know. So first of all, you need to go to additional settings and go to privacy, and this is an important part of the thing because you can't actually uninstall Google Play Services until you disable Find My Device. I won't disable it here, but basically you have to disable this because it doesn't allow you to uninstall Google Play Services until you get rid of this thing. So once you deactivate that, you will be able to go to Google Play Services and uninstall it to reinstall the newer version. Now, one thing that I get a lot in the comments is people, like, it's kind of weird. Like, they think that if they have, okay, let's say you have the version 13.5.75 Google Play Services, right? It doesn't exist, but let's just say for an example, if you have the Google Play Services version that is above 12.6.85 and you try to immediately install a older version, it won't install. It'll say app not installed because that's not how installation works. If you're installing something, you're building upon another application. Like, it doesn't replace the app. Like, that's not how that works. You have to uninstall Google Play Services and then reinstall it. Which is why, because my phone, my Google Play Services is 11.9.75. After I uninstall it, I can reinstall it to give me 12.6.85. So if your Google Play Services version is below 12.6.85, is above 12.6.85 after you uninstall it, you can't spoof. And there is no way to get around this unless you root, which I have a video on. People are always like, hey, you're screwed. You know what you should really do? Instead of making all these fucking videos that are exactly the same with each other, what you should do is actually figure out a solution on how to spoof above 12.6.85. How about no? I have the entire Android market is going against spoofing because, I mean, it helps FGL Pro, but Pokemon Go is probably paying big bucks to make sure that people can't spoof, right? So Android is just updating their system so that you can't, like, so that mock applications can be detected by applications, which makes it so that you're fucked. if Niantic doesn't want you to spoof, you're not going to be able to spoof. So the only hope that I can give you is you root your phone, or there's another thing you can do. You just buy an older phone. Like, it's really easy. They're so fucking cheap. Are you kidding me? They're like $600, or like in Hong Kong they're like $300. But yeah, just get an older phone. It's easy. You can even get a second-hand phone, for fuck's sake. Anyway, enough of the rant. Let me just show you my Google Play Services version, because that's kind of important. So we'll go to Google Play Services. As you can see right there, 17.4.8.55, sorry. Once I uninstall this, it'll be like 11.9.75, and then I can reinstall 12.6.85, which will allow me to spoof. So as you can see, Google Play Services version, this is too high, so it won't let me use FGL Pro, or sorry, it won't let me mop my location on Pokemon Go without the application knowing, which is kind of annoying. So you gotta, basically what you gotta do is you gotta match these numbers in the bracket 040408 to the website on APK Mirror, which helps you download 12.6.85. So 040408. Let's just try and find that real quick so it's more obvious. All right, there we go. Found it. Basically, I just gotta grab this. I gotta download it, and then remember, you gotta uninstall before installing. You can't just install it. It doesn't work like that. Uninstall, then install. So once you've done that, you basically have everything that you really need. Like, there's a lot of things that people do to make sure that they won't get, they won't get found out. Like, they clear maps and they clear everything. This is the base of what you have to do. Maybe I'll make another video on how you can do to solve some of the problems if you can't log into Pokemon Go or whatever. But this is the base of how to do it. Anyway, so once you have 12.6.85, you should be able to do everything that you need to, actually. I have FGL Pro right here. I didn't want to reinstall it for no reason, so I have FGL Pro here, and it's gonna give me a warning saying that my Google Play Services is way too updated. Of course, because I didn't install the older version, it'll show me this. So if you're still messed up, you can actually just follow their steps. I mean, it's a pretty good guide to how to do it. But you're gonna have to agree to all of these things. So you're gonna have to set you have to set this to high accuracy, obviously. Oh fuck, what the hell did I do? Turn on location, high accuracy. Good, cool. And then it's gonna ask you for screen overlays, which you have to do. And then one of the things that's also gonna ask you to do is you have to go to where is it? I think you have to go to additional settings, and you have to go to developer options, and then you have to set the mock application to FGL Pro. Because if you don't set it to if you don't set the mock application to FGL Pro can't change the location for your phone, which will make spoofing basically impossible. So if you go to settings on FGL Pro, what is this? This is an ad. Oh my god. Okay. You have to enable secure mocking. You don't have a choice. This is a must. Mocking method doesn't really matter. I use 3. I don't know why. It's just random, honestly. Just try them all out. And everything else here is pretty straightforward. Do not use indirect mocking because it doesn't work. Fucking hell. Also, I have an ad-free version of Google Play Services on my Discord, by the way. So just go there and there's a link to it. Anyway, helper banner, helper banner is pretty useful because it makes sure that you don't get soft banned accidentally, which I think is pretty cool. And then simulate real altitude. I use this because I'm not sure how Niantic actually detects whether people are spoofing or not, but I think if you're walking at 0 meters for the entirety that you're playing the game, I think they might think something suspicious, especially if you're on top of a hill, like a 2,600 feet hill, and you're just like, no, not 0 feet, dude. So yeah, I just enabled it just because, probably a smart thing to do. Anyhow, one of the things that, I'm going to talk about some of the problems that people have. So some of the people say that they can't actually, what's it called? They can't get into the game after they download FGL Pro. So one of the things that I would actually recommend doing is open Pokemon Go before opening FGL Pro. It works sometimes, but I've never had it not work eventually. So open Pokemon Go, force close FGL Pro first, obviously, and then open Pokemon Go, and then open FGL Pro afterwards, and usually it works. If it doesn't work, just try it again. Clear clear cache, clear data, and then just try it again. Also, you gotta by the way, you have to log into Pokemon Go. I don't mean like open the app and then open FGL Pro. I mean log in first, because the only problem that people have is the logging in part. It'll say like, oh, cannot authenticate or unable to authenticate or whatever the message is, and you'll just get fucked. So you can't do that. So do I not have Pokemon Go installed? I do. Okay, I was confused for a sec. Just basically, you just gotta clear cache, clear data. If it doesn't work, just keep trying. And yeah, this method works. Like, I've used it for the last, I don't know fucking know how, like literally the last year I've been using this method. I've been making the same fucking video, and it's great because people are like, dude, you can't fucking spoof. This shit is impossible. What the hell is this? It's a fake. It's fake. You can't do it. You can't do it. But yeah, I've just been spoofing. The people in my Discord have been spoofing, so I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's just, maybe you're just unlucky, you know. But yeah, that's basically what it is. Honestly, it's just, there's a lot of rumors going around, like, oh, they're gonna ban spoofers. Yeah, it's just bullshit. Honestly, what does it say? I'm right now. I'm actually looking at the comments of my old video to see what people have had problems with. So my Google Play installer only goes back until 14, and then installing 12.6.85, it says app not installed. See, that's the problem I just addressed. There's 73 likes on this comment, and yeah, it's pretty sad how people still don't realize that. But you can't do anything. You're fucked. You gotta get an older phone or root. Your choice. What is my phone? Please reply. Okay, fuck. My phone is, wait, let me show you. Actually, that's probably pretty useful information, isn't it? Shit. Okay. About phone. There it is. It is a Mi Max 2. My question is, can I hack on this Android version 9? Yeah, you're fucked. No way, lol. Thanks for this guide. One question, are you in Victoria? How the fuck did you know? Yes, I am. I can't disable Google Play services. Even when I disable Find My Phone, I can't click on deactivate. You're not supposed to disable Google Play services. I don't know where you got that idea. You're supposed to uninstall it, not disable. Like, I don't fucking know. Google Play services is the thing that runs all of your applications. If you disable it, your phone's going to be broken. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Don't try it anymore. Almost all the comments show it doesn't work. Yeah, dude, doesn't work for you. Doesn't mean it doesn't work for everyone else. Google Play services keeps on updating. Oh yeah, that's kind of annoying, to be honest. You got to go to Google Play Store, and I'm pretty sure there's like a setting to just disable. Wait, go to settings and then auto update. Do not auto update apps. That's what you got to do. Does GPS joystick by app just work? No, fuck no. Why did Android remove this feature? Because it's literally cheating. Your Android version, oh yeah, I didn't show my Android version, did I? Fuck. My Android version is 7.1.1. I keep getting failed to detect location. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you're getting failed to detect location 12, the number 12 one, you're probably doing something wrong. You gotta want to get that checked out. And stop spoofing immediately, because, like, shit's gonna make it, like, you're gonna get banned if you keep playing with 12 on. But 11's fine. Fail to detect location 11's fine. Just move the joystick slightly and you'll be good. Can someone list down the stat? I confused on these videos. Fucking good luck, lol. Will this work on Android version 9? Nope. Can you please send me your trainer code? Nope. Doesn't work. I'm using 5.1.1 on my security patch levels. November 1st, 2017. Yep, your phone is way too old. Thank you for uploading, spoof. Failed to detect location 12. Yeah, this is just, I don't know. Kinda sad. Anyhow. Yeah, guys, that's it, really. I have nothing else to say, honestly. If you have any questions, just ask me. I guess I'll just make, you know what? Actually, no. The next video I'm gonna make is just gonna be me replying to comments, because that shit's great. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.